Hello students, today we will be covering another topic of mathematics, circles. Let's just get started. What is a circle? A circle can be defined as a simple closed curve all of whose points are equidistant at equal distance from the fixed point called its center. Now, let's discuss some important terms related to circles. Firstly, we have radius. It is the distance between the center of a circle and a point on the circumference. Here, radius is equal to OA, which is equal to OB. Diameter or D is a line segment that has its end points on the circle and passes through the center. Here, diameter is equal to AB. Also, diameter is equal to 2 times radius. And radius is equal to diameter divided by 2. So, AB is equal to OA plus OB is equal to 2 times OA or 2 times OB. The chord is a line segment whose end points lie on the circle. Here, L, M, P, Q, A, B are all chords of the circle. Diameter AB is the longest chord of the circle. Arc is any part of a circle. An arc is usually named by 3 points, out of which 2 are the end points, and the third point lies between them. ABC is an arc and is denoted by minor arc is shorter and major arc is longer. ABC is a minor arc. LMN is a major arc. Half of a circle is called a semicircle. Now, let's look at circumference. Circumference is the perimeter or boundary of a circle. Circumference is equal to pi times diameter or pi times 2 times radius. Let's see how to draw a circle with a compass. To draw a circle with a compass, fix a pointed pencil in the compass. Place a ruler on the table and fix the metal tip of the compass at 0 of the ruler and open the compass to fix the end of the pencil at the given measure. Next, take a point O as center on a plain paper and rest the metal tip of the compass at point O. Hold the head of the compass firmly and move the pencil around to form a circle of given radius. We hope that you have understood the topic. You can now study chapter notes, watch video lectures and solve MCQ tests of this chapter on Edurif to ensure you score well in your school exams. And that's not all. You also get amazing courses for maths, science, English, Hindi, and much more for class 5th. Thank you.